I'm using my Canon camera right now as a webcam in the OBS program. It's a free program. I didn't buy any special equipment. I didn't buy any plans for these webcam services and stuff like that. It's all free, and I'm gonna show you how to do it yourself. So all the links will be in the description box below. So we need either EOS Utility or EOS Webcam if you're gonna watch that part of the video. But the second app we need is the OBS. If you got to this point of the video, that means you have both the EOS Utility and OBS Studio installed already. So starting with the EOS Utility, once you plug up your camera, your particular camera, into the computer using a USB cord, doesn't have to be anything special, you should see this here. If you don't see this here, I have a separate video on how to fix this issue because there's something you need to change within the settings of your Canon camera. But if you didn't have that problem, that's good, we can move on. So from here, all we have to do is go to the remote shooting mode. It's gonna bring up this here. Now next, all we have to do is select live view shoot. It's gonna bring up this box here. Now we need this box to remain open, meaning do not minimize it at all. So next we're gonna open up OBS that we have installed as well. It's acting like it doesn't want to open up. Okay, there we go. So from within OBS, we're gonna drop down to the sources here. We'll start with the video source. But from here, go to window capture. You can name it if you want to name it, but select OK. And you should see it here. If you select window, you should see it here. It'll be the remote view window. And there we go. So we already got it. Everything is good to go in the settings. So we can just select OK. Now all we have to do to adjust this is just hold down the Alt button on the keyboard there, and then left click with the mouse. So you see here, it's a nice, pretty picture. And oh yeah, and to get this little box off her face, you can do that within the utility app. When it comes to using the EOS Webcam Utility program, it's less steps, but keep in mind it's not for every single camera right now. It's just for these cameras you see here. But like I said before, all the links will be in the description box below. So if you don't have it, go ahead and download it. Same goes for OBS. Now first, we have to completely exit this app here, the utility, the regular utility app. Because if we don't, and we try to use the utility, the Webcam Utility app within OBS, it's not going to pick it up. So let's go ahead and exit this out. Not only exit it out, but also drop down to your toolbar and then open up the options here, find the utility app, right click it, and then select quit. All right, now we're good to go. So within OBS, select the plus sign down here, and then besides going to window capture like we did with the regular utility app, we're gonna go to video capture device. Now you can name it. Like I said before, I don't really name it, I just select OK. And then from here, all we have to do is gonna show your regular default webcam, of course, but all we have to do is just drop down the options and select the webcam utility, and then select OK. Wait for the camera to boot up, and there you go. And to adjust the picture here, just hold down the Alt button, select the corners, and boom, boom. So this way is like the best way, of course. You don't have to go through all those extra steps. But like I said, it's not available for every single camera at this moment. But this is the way I'll be doing it. Hopefully Canon will keep this because this thing is wonderful. All right. But much love to each and every one of you guys. That's all I have for you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.